Sing all the voices of the mountains, and you paint with all the colors of the wind. And you paint with all the colors of the wind. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Keisha Anilika. My name is Keisha Anilika. How are you guys doing? If you are new to my channel, how are you? Thank you for showing up. Thank you for clicking on this video. I appreciate it. It means a lot to me. For all the new subscribers, thank you for showing up. We are small, but we're a small community. We'll make it work, and we will, hopefully you guys can invite your friends to come over, right? Yeah. No, thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. Thank you for clicking on my channel. Like I said, it means a lot to me. I'm trying to build this channel, grow it up. Wanted to do this a long time, but now I am getting to do it. Anyway, today we're talking about hair. As you saw from the thumbnail, we're gonna be talking about how to grow your hair in an instant, just like that. What do you do? What do you need? Because lately, people have been asking me what I've done. I've given the story of I did the big chop back in 2016 in January. This is right after I came back from Nigeria. And I was like, I'm fed up with it. I'm done. I ain't doing this no more. Because I had the braids done in my hair, like from Nigeria. You know how you get it done in Nigeria every time you go? If you don't know, then now you know. I was just like, I'm not gonna take this down. Let me cut each individual braid, like to where I have this short of hair. So I was like, let me start the whole process all over again. Yeah, so I cut it down, and ever since then I've been doing the twists, doing the braid outs and everything. I've been using the Can2 products with the shampoos, deep conditioners, leave-in conditioners, curl treatments, whatever, masks. I also moved over and used the Kaleidoscope hair growth system. I've used the drops, their shampoo and conditioner. I'm now starting on Carol's Daughter. I want to start on the Mael Organics. Girl, I'm trying to get into everything. I love hair products. I love trying them out. I love seeing what they can do. These edges I have now, I never had them before due to Kaleidoscope, girl. I mean, yes, lately people have asked me, you know, what I've done. It's like, the drops, is it shampoo? How are you doing there? Stretching your hair out. You have 4C hair. How are you growing your hair, girl? How is it growing? Like, what on earth are you doing, girl? And you know what? I was like, you know, let me film this and stop asking me. I've been wearing a very cute hairstyle. You can go to my Instagram, which you should. If you go to my Instagram, you can see the hairstyle I wear, high pony, and then my hair all down. Top secret and the answer to grow your hair, it to be Pocahontas length. Around the ribbon. It's not drops. It's not the deep conditioners. It's not the twist outs. It's not leaving your hair under wigs. It's none of that. The secret to growing your hair to long lengths like myself is, I mean, y'all had to know I wasn't, come on. Y'all had to know. And of course it's a wig. It's a wig. It's a wig, girl. It's a wig. It's a wig. If you want to switch up your style, grow your hair today and have it short tomorrow, what do? Girl, wigs. I mean, what are we talking about here? I mean, my real hair is probably down here right now. Like it's down here, I don't know, blown out is probably a little longer. Yes, girl, what you thought? What you thought? No, but all you gotta do is wear a wig. And then I wanted to show you a cute hairstyle, a half up, half down hairstyle that I actually learned from my sister-in-law, and also I've seen it on different girls, different influencers. Monica Style Muse did it. I want to get into this hairstyle and show y'all something cute you can do on an everyday basis. Deets on this hair, not much. I just got it from a beauty supply store. Just pick anything in the kinky straight or curly. Anything that looks more towards your hair is gonna look the best, I believe. Hair was blonde like I wish it was. I would get this one blonde. I think it would have been fire if I got it in red. And you know, because you want it to match your roots. I mean, let's talk a crochet wig from Expressions. I got it from the beauty supply store. It was $10 on sale. I was like, oh. They call this a crochet style. And I don't know what happened to this wig, girl. I don't know if I did this because I've been brushing it and brushing it. I don't know if I created all that spacing, like I pulled it out. It's literally like crochet. Like these are your braids right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. These are your braids right here. And they literally crocheted braiding hair into it. which I thought was pretty cool. But let me show you what I did to get this cute style. Okay guys, so we're gonna get into this hairstyle on a peanut head, you know. So as you can see here, I've already parted my hair into two. Getting makeup on my great. I got makeup all over my hoodie. Oh, don't you hate when you do that? Like you be going to work fresh, nice and good, going to where you going fresh, nice and good, and then as soon as you put your head down anyway, sleep in the car, lean, look down, whatever, you already done for the day. You got makeup all over you, you come back. Oh Lord, I hate having a beat face and wearing something light colored. Like I hate that. I use the what is this? Eco Style Gel? The one everybody has. One of these. So I use this only for the top half of my head, only for the top. I didn't use it for the back. Why? Because it's gonna be covered anyway. Even use it all throughout my hair. I just literally put it on top. For my edges, which I'm still gonna go back and lay some more, I use the Hicks edge control. Now, I don't know what y'all are using. If you have an edge control that you swear by love, can tell somebody about, then let me know, because I want to know what edge control is good. Hicks is super good because I saw Makeup Shayla's Snapchat. She's like, this is what she swear about, this is what she loved to use. So I'm like, okay, let me get it. But then when I went to the beauty supply store, it was like, heck, a lot of money. And I was like, let me stick to my olive oil, edge control. No, but then I went back again, randomly to the beauty supply store just to pick anything or whatever. And it said it went from $14.99 to $9.99, and I was like, girl, let me catch my breath just a little bit. Let me pick it up. Let me wait a minute. Let me save a little bit of coins and go ahead and get this, because I heard it was great. So you have your hair already parted, whatever and whatnot. All you gotta do is literally take whatever wig that you have. Usually you get a half wig or a lace wig if you want, and literally, all you gotta do is just like you secure your bag, girl, you secure your wig. Cover it up. It's already looking natural, huh? It's already looking natural. You know what? I have a feeling, because I've actually had this wig for like a full week. Like this wig is not gonna last, 3 weeks or a month if you like don't take it out and brush it and stuff. You gotta really work it. I feel like I've been brushing it out, and I feel like you can like see the braids now. I don't know what's going on. I was gonna buy another one to film this video, but then I was like, the shipping of it all, the waiting of it all, the transit of it all. But yeah, so you secure the wig like you secure your bag, and you're done. No, I'm just joking. But I mean, it already kind of looks like this is my part of the wig or whatever. I mean, to me, if your hair is already, your bun is already nice and big and long like this, then it's like, just leave it. Put the bobby pins and secure it all around. I'm gonna put the bobby pins in last after I pick up my bun. So for the bun part, all you do, is you're gonna take some of the hair. The longer it is, a little bit harder. It's gonna, not harder, but it's gonna tangle just a little bit. I'm gonna take some of this hair, and we're gonna secure it after I finish, like I said. Take some of this hair. Ooh, don't take too much. I think I messed this wig up. And then all you're gonna do, for me, I already start twisting. And then you just bring it around town. Bring it around town. Girl. What do I say? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now, you could either put, another hairband to secure, or what I'm just gonna do for the sake of the video, and it's easier, is just literally, let me say it right, just literally hit it up. Girl, I love this hairstyle so much. I can't even. Kim, I can't even. Courtney, it's the easiest and the cutest thing. I hope y'all are even seeing the top of my knot, because I'm only looking into a mirror. I don't even have a monitor like most YouTubers do, because I just don't. So yeah, this is literally it. And like I said, you go back around and literally pin everything down. There's haters everywhere, you know. There's always that one girl who wanna come snatch your wig. Go all in, all in, all in, all in, all in. Do y'all know that song? Why do we keep sleeping on Lil Mama like that? Sometimes she doesn't make the right choices in some social media things, but oh, you know what? This is not even even. This is not even. So when you know it's not even like how mine is. Okay, so we're gonna redo this. Better, 100% better. My natural hair is kind of exposed on the top, but unless you talk to somebody who's super tall, I mean, it's kind of like, who cares? I personally don't care. You can cover it up kind of, or kind of cover it up, however you talk, by spreading it a little bit, right? Just a little bit. And then you can take a bobby pin, just lightly push it in there. Ooh, somehow. Edge control on. Whenever you want to go to bed, all I do is tie a scarf down. You know, you can pre-do your edges. So put your edge control, put scarf down, tie it up. The mess. Just look at all this makeup. I don't know if y'all can see. Look at all this. Look how long it is. And like, I would stand up for y'all, but got pajama pants on. I ain't doing that. Like I said, I'll put a link down, but honestly, you choose any type of hair you want. It's not even that deep. Like if you seriously want the one I got, like I said, I'll post the link down. But if you find something similar, something curlier, of course your hair color, more to your hair texture, pick that one. Like this hairstyle is so simple to do. Like you can do with any type of half wig that you find. I just feel like I'm just giving you vibes, honey. Like I feel like I'm giving you all types of vibes. Like I'm giving you Afro Latina. Like I'm giving you Amara La Negra. I'm giving you Monica Style Muse. I'm giving you Masi. I'm giving you, yes, honey, this is me. This is all of me. I feel like it's the hair that you walk past your hater or, you know, haters. And in her mind, she's just thinking, oh my gosh, is that her hair? That can't be her hair. But wait, it may be her hair. Because I'm a hater and everything about me and in my inner core, I'm a hater. I have to say that's not her hair. I'm giving you very also college girl vibes, like on the quad, you know, with her books and me trying to be young and everything. Yes. I just thank you guys for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video if you like it. Comment on this video if you have something to say. Go ahead and subscribe to that button. It's not gonna hurt you. It's not, and you know it's not. I mean, like, let's all be real with ourselves. Hit the notifications. Because every time I film, when I can, I'm telling you, I'm trying to really film all the time now. I think I just have to film like in the middle of the night, like how it is now. It's probably like 2 a.m. right now, but that's when my child is asleep. So yeah, this is when I can film. They said all of this makeup is just like this, and go to my Instagram and like go to my Snapchat. Like see a lot of my baby on Snapchat if you already not on there. And I will be doing other videos. I'm due to do mommy videos, which is talking about my struggles and everything about pregnancy and having a little bitty baby. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.